In your health, the impact of banking your child's umbilical cord blood at birth.
A lot of parents are not even aware that they have that option. Medical reporter Jocelyn Memento with more on why one family stored their daughter's cord blood stem cells. Plus, a look at the ongoing stem cell research for adults. Jocelyn.
Well, Ann and Scott, we're talking about the blood that remains in a newborn's umbilical cord after birth. The cord blood is a rich source of stem cells, and increasingly, more families are opting to store it.
Katie Blanchette's first of 3 children, son Patrick, was born with cerebral palsy, followed by son Kellen, who was born prematurely with disabilities. So when she gave birth to daughter Maeve, Katie seized the opportunity to bank her youngest child's umbilical cord blood cells.
They were doing very promising studies on using umbilical cord blood in children with CP as a treatment. So we went ahead and banked our daughter's cord blood in the hopes that it will be used in the future for our son.
Preserved cord blood stem cells can be transplanted for siblings and parents' use if tissue markers match up.
The families that are benefiting most right now in clinical trials for regenerative medicine are those families that have children with cerebral palsy or traumatic brain injuries.
Overall, adult stem cell research is at the cusp of real breakthroughs.
We are able to generate insulin-producing cells from adult stem cells that may be useful in the treatment of diabetes. We can cure diabetes in mice with these cells so far.
The team of researchers at this Yale School of Medicine laboratory are steered by well-known lead investigator Dr. Hugh Taylor.
We've been able to treat Parkinson's disease in animal models. We're not quite ready for clinical trial for use in people yet, but it's not too far off.
Meantime, the FDA has approved the use of cord blood for 80 disorders, so more families like the Blanchettes can benefit from ongoing studies.
When it came down to it, our children's health is number one, and their quality of life is number one. So that's what ultimately led us to that decision.
The cost of banking umbilical cord blood can start at $1,600, followed by a yearly fee of about $150. There are 26 accredited cord blood banks in the United States. For more information, log on to WTNH.com. Ann?